Hello, my mathematicians. This is Miss Foster with Math in Focus, 4th grade, Chapter 5, Lesson 6, Part 2, Solving Problems by Predicting the Likelihood of an Outcome. Our first problem involves a bag that you can't see inside of, but we'll let you know what's in there. A bag contains 15 marbles, of which 6 are red, 5 are blue, and 4 are green. Charlene draws 2 marbles from the bag. If the first marble she draws is red, what is the likelihood that the second marble is blue or red? I think I need to do some more work to figure out what's going on in this bag. First of all, how many marbles are there? Pause the video and figure it out. I figured out that there were 15 marbles in the bag. That means 6/15 are red, 5/15 are blue, and 4/15 are green. But we've just lost a red marble, and that means our denominator has changed. Pause to figure it out. Now there are 14 marbles in the bag, and there are only 5 of them that are red. But now the outcome that we're looking for is red or blue. So to figure out the probability for that, I'm going to have to add together the red marbles that are left and the blue marbles that are left. And I believe that that leaves me with 10/14. Now I know that some of you are highly committed to finding the simplest form of a fraction, and it will be required in our next unit. So if I look at 10 and 14, what is a factor they share? I'm going with 2 because they're both even. If I divide 10/14 by 2 halves, then I will be left with 5/7. And so to express in its simplest form, the probability that the next marble will be blue or red is 5/7. Charlene returns the first 2 marbles to the bag and adds 2 more marbles. She then draws another marble from the bag. What color are the new marbles if each of the following is true? We have 3 different cases here. In the first one, the 2 marbles that she adds means that the marbles she draws will be equally likely to be green or red. Well, if I want to make the red ones and the green ones a mistake, I'm going to have to add 2 green ones, so both of them will be green. What if she has to add 2 marbles to make the bag so that the marble she draws next is most likely to be red? There are a lot of different possibilities here. Pause the video for a moment and see if you can come up with one. Here are just a couple of ways that she could have made sure that red was the most likely marble. She could have just added 2 of them right there that are red. Then she'd have 8, and 8 is a lot more than 5 or 4. But right now red is already the most likely marble to be drawn, so she could add 1 red and 1 blue, or 1 red and 1 green. For this last one, we want the marble she draws to be equally likely to be green or blue. We've got to figure out to add 2 marbles in a way that will make these 2 numbers even. If we add 1 green one, then this would become 5, and she'll be equally likely to have green or blue. However, we've still got to add 1 more marble, and I think that one's going to have to be red. That's the only way to do it, so that blue and green will be equally likely. Wow, that was tricky. Let's try one more probability problem together. 18 students go into a classroom. 11 of them are girls. Find each probability as a fraction when the recess bell is rung. Well, I've got 18 as my denominator here because there are 18 children in the classroom. I know that 11 of them are girls. So how many boys? Well, 18 minus 11 would leave us with 7 as the boys. So what is the probability that the first student to come out is a girl? It's the number of girls total, 11/18. What is the probability that the first student to come out is a boy? The fractional probability is 7/18. If the first student to come out is a girl, find the probability that the next student to come out is a boy. Whoa, we don't have 18 kids anymore. We have 17 kids. And we lost 1 girl, but we haven't changed the number of boys. So I believe that the probability that the second child to come out will be a boy is 7/17. Here they tell us that the probability of the second student to come out being a girl is 11/17. Was the first student a boy or a girl? Well, we've got those 17ths here, which means 1 student has left. But with 11 girls in the probability, that means the girls have stayed the same. And that means that the first student to come out will definitely have been a boy. Friends, these problems about probability have really made me think hard. I hope they've made you think hard as well. When we think hard and struggle, that's when we learn. Ooh, I love struggling through math with you. Bye-bye for now.